Cleanliness can also help you retain the most talented employees, keep investors on your side, and improve the image of your business. Let's take a look at the most important tips for cleaning your office. Create a clean office culture. If you'll facilitate all staff to understand the importance of keeping a clean space, it will make all workplace cleanings easier. If everybody enjoys having a clean workplace, there'll be no downside to staying wealthy and dreaming well. Make cleaning supplies readily available. It is best if each employee will have their own cleansing providers, like screen cleaners and disinfectant wipes at their table. Brooms, dust pans, dish soap, paper towels, and glass cleaner should be easy to find. They will use them and the office will be very clean. Remove trash every day. There is nothing worse than smelly garbage. Employees should clean the garbage every day. It is important that the garbage is taken out daily. No client will be more suspicious of your company than the smell of garbage. Clean the floors. Sweeping or vacuuming should be done 2 or 3 times a week. With multiple people coming and going out and coming back, they are always bringing dirt from outside. With teamwork and a set routine, they will stay clean and functional. Clean the lights. Overhead lighting is a real challenge to keep clean. This step will likely require a ladder to safely reach the lights. By keeping the lights clean, you're protecting your employees' eyes and letting clients know that working with you will make your future brighter. Hire a competent cleaning service. Find a company that specializes in office cleaning and have them visit regularly. As you can see from reading these tips, keeping a clean office is a huge task. When you add up all the benefits of hiring an office cleaner, you will see how affordable office cleaning services are. U.S. Janitorial Services provide premier commercial cleaning services that include sweeping, mopping, vacuuming, trash removal, kitchen cleaning, toilet cleaning, and restocking toiletries, located at Lexington, Kentucky. Visit usservices.com or contact us anytime for inquiries, free estimates, and booking appointments on +1-800-210-6069.